Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x cube plus x. This is equals to 350. Here we will find out the value of x. Look carefully in left hand side, x cube plus x, and this is equals to, we have here x cube and here x. So this 350 it can written as 343 plus 7, because we know that 343 this is equals to 7 power 3. Now x cube plus x, this is equals to, this expression is 7 power 3 plus 7. Here we can observe x is equals to 7 is a solution, but here we will talk about all solutions. So we have three solutions. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x cube minus 7 cube plus x minus 7, this is equals to 0. This is difference between two cubes, and we know that difference between two cubes, a cube minus b cube, this is equals to a minus b times a square plus a times b plus b square. So this x cube minus 7 cube is x minus 7 is multiplied by x square plus 7x plus 49, and here plus x minus 7 plus x minus 7, and this is equals to 0. Now look carefully, x minus 7, x minus 7. X minus 7 is common. If we take x minus 7 is common, then here x square plus 7x plus 49 and then plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Then x minus 7 is multiplied by x square plus 7x plus 49 plus 1 is 50, and this is equals to 0. Now we have, if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then this is x minus 7 is equals to 0 or x square plus 7 times x plus 50, this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to 7. This is real solution of this cubic equation. Now we have quadratic equation x square plus 7 times x plus 50, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to 7, and value of c is equals to 50. Then we know that x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac and divide by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus, and b is replaced by 7 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 7 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 50, and divide by 2 times a is replaced by 1. Then x is equals to minus 7 plus minus square root of, here 7 square is 49 minus 4 times 50 is 200, and divide by 2. Then x is equals to minus 7 plus minus square root of 49 minus 200 is minus 151 divided by 2. We know that square root of minus 150 is equal to square root of minus 1 times 151, and this is same as square root of minus 1 times square root of 151, and square root of minus 1 is iota, so this expression is 151 times iota. So x is equals to minus 7 plus minus square root of 151 iota divided by 2. We have two imaginary solutions. X is equals to minus 7 plus square root of 151 iota divided by 2, and second imaginary solution is x is equals to minus 7 minus square root of 151 times iota divided by 2. We have three solutions, two imaginary solutions and one is real solutions. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.